Hello and welcome back to another tech wrap tutorial. I'm Melissa Crafter, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this Treats for Santa tray using tech wrap vinyl and a wooden piece from Dollar Tree. This custom tray was super easy and inexpensive to make. This would be a great addition to sell in your shop or a fun holiday home decor to add near your Christmas tree. Here I have propped it up with milk, reindeer snacks, and cookies for Santa. So if you're wanting to learn how to make a tray just like this one, definitely continue watching. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Before we begin, I want to show you the vinyl that I used. I am using one of Tech Wrap's shimmer adhesive vinyls in the color black. This vinyl does have a smooth shimmery surface and it is available in different colors. You can find this vinyl along with lots of quality vinyl in the Tech Wrap website, which will be linked down below in the video description. So here I have already cut out my vinyl decal using my Cricut Explore Air 2. You can cut Tech Wrap vinyl with any type of cutting machine. I did purchase this SVG cut file from Etsy. I will put the direct link for it down below in the comments. I am now going to go in with my Tech Wrap weeding pen and remove the excess vinyl on my decal. So I like to first go in and remove the big piece of excess vinyl and then go in and remove those small fine detail cuts. So here's the wooden piece that I'm going to be using. It is from Dollar Tree. It is called a wood hanging decor. You can also paint this wooden piece if you are wanting it to be a certain color. I am going to remove the string that it has here since I'm not going to be using it as a hanging decor. I am now going to take a piece of Tech Wrap matte transfer tape and place it on top of my decal. The sizing that I did for my decal was a 10 by 10. Here I'm using my Tech Wrap scraper to make sure that my decal adheres on well to my transfer tape. I am then going to remove the backing. I am then going to try to center my decal on my wooden piece as centered as possible. And then I'm slowly going to remove the transfer tape. And here is how my tray turned out. This custom tray was super fun and inexpensive to make. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.